day 5, and I am currently on my way to class. It's my last class for the semester. I am very excited because I need this break. I have so much to get done. Must-have game of the year. I have so much to prepare for next semester, going full time. So yeah, I'm so excited. And it was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video that I posted from yesterday. It took forever to edit. It was an hour and 12 minutes long originally, and I brought it down to 18 and a half, but it took me 3 hours to do it. So I was up till 3 a.m. last night, and I have no idea how I'm functioning right now, but I am. So this is going to be a good day. That video was hilarious. If you guys don't find it funny, I apologize. Maybe it's just my and her sense of humor, but it's a good one, I think. So let me know how you think about it, and if you want to see more of Jamie in my vlogs. And yeah, I don't really want to get into an accident, so I'll see you guys later. Got off work and got changed into comfy clothes. Okay, so one of the managers at my work gave me this drink. Have you heard of it? Oh, okay, that was a dumb question. Have you guys tried this? It is blueberry pomegranate vitamin water. This is super good. Like, this was my first time trying it, and it's like it's water, but it's got a tiny bit of flavor in it, and it's not like sugary, which is nice. Like, it has sugar in it, but it's like really delicious. I can't get enough of it right now.
So Margaret tells me that you young people are trying to start family.
So now that I'm home, I need to get my laundry, since I had actually time to do it today, and it was a fat load. So delicious. Okay. I could use something like small, but I'm not really that hungry. Alright, well, I'm probably going to go to the gym tonight, but I think that's all I'm going to do besides homework. There's just nothing going on today. It's just kind of dead. Tomorrow I have big plans, so I should hopefully be doing a lot of vlogging tomorrow. But for right now, there's nothing going on. So, I'll see you later. Hey! So, I'm wrapping presents for my mom. Her birthday's tomorrow. Very excited. Yeah. I only got her like a few things, but I'll probably vlog it while she's opening them tomorrow. Just because that's how I roll. So we have this wrapping paper. It's kind of weird. And then we have this wrapping paper, which is fun, but it's not really birthday related. Alright, done wrapping my presents for my mommy. There's her cute little card. My camera shut down again. I don't know what's going on. Actually, I think I might know what's going on. I think I might need either another SD card, or I just need to charge my camera every night. So yeah, I think that's the problem. But yeah, I'm done. So now I'm probably gonna watch some YouTube videos and get caught up with all of my stuff and then go to the gym. Hopefully no one's there so I can actually vlog me working out because I really want to. But anyway, alright. This vlog is going to be so stupid and short. I'm so mad. But what can you do? Nothing. I am tired. I just got done watching Chow Bella's vlog from yesterday. God, people are so stupid. I had to post a comment on her video. People are just so negative these days. Like, why? Seriously, what are you going to gain out of making a nasty, rude comment on someone's video? Please answer me. It makes no sense. Like how you were taught when you were little, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all. I will, I'm sure, go on a rant about that eventually in one of my videos. I'm just waiting for it. But I am sitting here. I'm so tired, literally dozing off. I'm ready to pass out, but I'm going to the gym tonight. I need to go to the gym tonight. Really bad. What is that? There's like this high-pitched noise. It's coming from downstairs. Alright. Do you hear that? What is that? I have no idea. That is obnoxious. Can you guys hear that? It just stopped. Hey, I'm here at the gym. Yep. So this is my outfit for the gym. I have my Senior 13 sumo little athletic thing, and then the sumo pants that says senior down the leg. I need a lot of work on that. Alright. I might be able to vlog like a tiny bit today because there's nobody here. So you might be